Literally everybody I know is making $500 a day from Cash App for completely free. And if you don't watch till the end of this video, then you're gonna lose out on the method, because literally anybody, regardless of where you're at, provided that you can go ahead and get a Cash App account, can do this method and make literally hundreds of dollars a day for completely free. If you don't believe me, make sure to go ahead and watch till the end of this video and leave a comment down below if the method worked for you. With that all being said, guys, let's get right into it. Not a lot of people know this, but Cash App just lost a huge lawsuit where almost every single Cash App user can get paid out up to $2,000. The website you have to go to for this is going to be cashappcase.com. Essentially, if you guys got an email, which almost every single American should have gotten an email about this, saying that if you were a victim of the 2024 SSN leak, you guys can go to cashappcase.com and claim up to an instant free $2,500. All you guys need to do is just put in your cash tag right here, go ahead and click continue, and then if it takes you to this page, that means that your guys' cash tag is part of the lawsuit, and you just have to click this claim your funds button and fill out all of the questions. So I'm gonna go ahead and include a link to Cash App Case in the comments down below, as well as you guys can just go ahead and put it in your web browser of choice, and make sure to go ahead and do that ASAP to claim those funds right now. Now, after you guys go to Cash App Case, I would recommend going ahead and watching until the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys some easy apps that you guys can go ahead and download right now and literally make hundreds of dollars right now that you can transfer into your Cash App for completely free. The first app I would go ahead and recommend is going to be SoFi. Essentially, it's a banking and investing app, but if you guys want to, you guys can literally get a free $75 provided you go ahead and sign up to SoFi using the link in the description, and provided that you follow every single one of the steps that I'm about to give you. The first step is that you guys need to go ahead and make sure to open a checking and a savings account. After that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure to fund that checking and savings account with at least $50, and then you're going to want to make sure to leave that money inside of SoFi for 2 weeks. But if we go ahead and check this out here, I went ahead and deposited money directly into my SoFi account, and then I waited for a while, and then boom, as you guys can see, I got a free $75 just for doing that. It's a feature that not many people know about with SoFi. Cash App used to have something like this, but unfortunately they don't do it anymore. And you guys can get a free $75 when you guys go ahead and sign up to a link on SoFi. If you don't know somebody who already has SoFi, I'm going to go ahead and include my link in the description down below. For full transparency, I will also be getting a little bit of money from it, but you guys will be getting free money, and it will come at no cost to you. So if you want to go ahead and support the channel, that is going to be the easiest way to do it. Next up, what I would recommend doing is I'd recommend going to the App Store and downloading the app Addapul. It's on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. You guys can either sign up to it from the App Store or go ahead and sign up using the link in the description. Once you guys do that, make sure to go to my profile right here, go to where it says enter invite code, and then enter in this exact code for some free money that you can instantly withdraw into your PayPal account. The code you're going to want to enter is going to be JCCGC, just like that, guys. And then once you guys do that, you will get a free 50 cents added to your account. On top of that, guys, it is super easy to make a ton of money right here on Addapul. When I was grinding out surveys on Addapul, I was literally making over $30 an hour, which then I would just take that money and withdraw it to my PayPal account or my Revolut account. You guys are missing out big time by not going ahead and using Addapul to make as much money as feasibly possible, and using that referral code. I literally just made you guys a completely free 50 cents, and I'm going to be showing you another app that you can download right now that will literally give you a free $1 just for downloading it. The other app that you're going to want to download is going to be called Eureka, but you guys do actually have to install this from the link in the description. It's going to say Eureka sign up right there. And then once you guys go ahead and install it, you are going to be getting a free $1 just for installing it. Plus, if we go through and check out some of these easy surveys, I was also making about $50 an hour when I was completing all of these surveys here on Eureka. Plus, if you go to the cash out bar right here, they offer bank transfers and PayPals, as well as Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Walmart, Target, all of that fun stuff. So you guys are missing out on a bunch of free money by not downloading the 3 apps that I just showed you right now, but I'm going to be showing you another way that literally anybody can be making free money on Cash App right now. What I would recommend doing is I would recommend going to the Cash App Twitter account. Because on the Cash App Twitter account, they are running all kinds of giveaways all of the time. I know people that have literally made over $1,000 just by replying to Cash App using their trivia code or whatever, and they have a bunch of these going all of the time. But the real place that you actually want to go is going to be the official Cash App Twitch. The reason why is because they are running these trivia games all of the time right here on Twitch, right? This is the real Cash App Twitch, and as you guys can see, you guys just have to follow these steps right here, and then when you do that, they will go ahead and pick random winners from anybody who goes ahead and does these. They don't run these live streams all of the time, but those are 2 ways to get literally a bunch of free money from Cash App themselves that nobody is really talking about. But with that all being said, guys, that is all of the currently working methods for making completely free money on Cash App. I'm dropping new methods all the time on this channel on how to get a bunch of stuff for free, like how to get free Amazon gift cards, how to get free Steam games, and so much more. So if you guys don't want to miss out on any of the methods that I have, I would highly recommend going ahead and hitting that subscribe button with post notifications on. And with that all being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.